Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you how you can convert Binance coin, which is BNB, to Binance USDT. And there are two ways to do that. So let's move on with the easiest step first. And for that you need to open up trade and click on Binance convert. Here select BNB and on the to side select USDT and just fill up the amount that you want to convert and preview conversion, and you will be able to convert it. And the other way is to click on trade, then click on spot, and here search for BNB. You will see BNB USDT pair. Just click on it and just sell your BNB for USDT, and that's how you convert your BNB to USDT Binance on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any help, just comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.